Hello everyone. Now I'm back with a story today, and this story is very interesting and it's a real life story. Okay, so a few days back, when I was reading the newspaper Economic Times in the morning, and I saw there that the placement news was there that Google has picked up 200 students out of IIT for the internship program, and some other company has picked up 100 students, and some other company has picked up a few other students. And I was just wondering, what do they mean by picked up? Anyways, that was in the newspaper. And then in the afternoon we went to VNIT in Nagpur for picking up a few students for the internship program. They had that December internship, winter internship, and then in the summers also. So they wanted us to place a few students in our taxology and BMW. So we went there just to interact with students, tell them what this taxology and BMW is in the first place, and then see their interest. And if they're interested, then we'll conduct interviews and all. So we went there. Now, as I started interacting with students, they were third year BE students. Some were from metallurgy and mechanical and whatnot. And I was just thinking that here we are making taxology for legal professionals and accounting professionals and so on and so forth, and BMW. So how can I fit in those people into these projects? So my thoughts were not clear on that. So therefore I wanted to interact with students. So we went there. We took an appointment with the placement in charge there, and then we interacted with the students. So as I started talking to them, I just asked them that, look, in the morning I read in the newspaper that so many students were picked up by Google and this and that. So are you picked up? Is any one of you picked up? So they didn't have a clue what I was talking about. So they said that no, we don't understand. Then I told them a story that was made at that point of time. I said, okay, look, we go to a fruit stall, right? Or a vegetable stall, or for that matter, the retail store, clothes line and other things. And what do? You go to a fruit stall and you pick up a dozen of bananas, or a dozen of apples, or 2 kgs of some other fruit, right? So what we do, we pick up. We pick fruits and all, and similarly vegetables. That is picking up. So I asked them a question. Are you bananas? Are you guys sitting here bananas that people will come and pick you up and then place you somewhere for a job? Or are you a diamond? So they said, we don't get you. What are you talking about? So then I told them, look, what's the difference between bananas and a diamond? All the bananas look alike, like all the engineers or all the CAs or all the doctors and so on and so forth. I'm not against any particular profession. So they are all alike. So you are a set of people having similar characteristics, similar skills and similar aptitude. So what the company does, it comes and picks you up. Okay, we need 15 people, we need 25 people, we need 100 people. So pick them up, place them, train them in what they have to do, and then make them do it. That's how you are. That's like bananas. You pick up bananas and you place them on the fruit table. On the other hand, if you go to a diamond shop, a jeweler shop, and see the difference, how the fruit stall owner will show you bananas. He says, okay, these are bananas. Look, utter disrespect. These are bananas, take them. But if you go to a jeweler shop, what the jeweler does, he first puts a muslin cloth on the table, right? A red color cloth, soft cloth. And then he slowly takes out that piece of diamond which is there in the almirah under lock and key. He'll open that. He'll open that box. The box itself is of a few thousand rupees. And he'll open the box and smoothly he'll place that diamond on the table. And when he's putting it on the table, he puts it with total respect and value for that piece of diamond. And when you as a customer will take it in your hands, you will feel pride and joy, right? And if you buy it, you are thinking of what value the diamond will add to you, right? So you means the customer. The customer here is the person who gives you the job. It might be Google, it might be another company, right? So when the company picks you, or rather takes you in, it's very important to understand whether you are a banana or a diamond, right? So I hope you are understanding my point. Now the point is how to become a diamond. Think, are you a banana or a diamond? Do you want respect? If yes, then you should have value in yourself. Now that's the point. Students these days make a major mistake. They value their degrees more than themselves. Okay, I'm becoming an engineer from IIT. So that degree is my value. Okay, because I'm IITian, I'll fetch so much. I'll get so much of salary and such placement. If I'm from VNIT or any of the NITs, I'll get this value. If I'm a CA, I'll get this value. Guys, whoever values their degrees more than themselves are actually undervaluing themselves. Now look, this is a very important statement. If I value degree more, means I am undervaluing myself. I am undervaluing my own skills and my aptitude and the special gift that I have, right? What will the degree do for you? Give you the first job, a good placement, a certain amount of salary, but what next? Every time your boss asks for a report, okay, give me the weekly report or the annual report or the monthly report, what will you do? You'll give the report and the underlying degree beneath that report. The look, I am an IITian, I am a CA. So this is my report, but then this is my degree. Do you do that? No, you cannot do that. So ultimately, after you get the first job, after you get the entry, it's all your aptitude and skills. It's what you are, not what the degree is, right? So Satya Nadella, or for that matter, Sundar Pichai, who has now become the third most powerful person in the world, right? Who has become now the CEO of Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google. So earlier he was the CEO of Google, now he's CEO of the parent company as well. So do you want to become next Sundar Pichai? If yes, then you have to treat yourself as a diamond. You have to create value in yourself, much more than your degree. People should treat you with respect. And when will they treat you with respect and flaunt you that you are in their company, right? A person flaunts his diamond, that look, I have this diamond, I'm wearing this diamond. So your company should wear you on their fingers, should wear you on their necklace, should wear you, right? Should respect you, should value you and flaunt you. So become a diamond, my guys, my friends, become a diamond. Now the question is, how will you become diamond? Right? Create value in yourself. And how do you create value in yourself? That I'll be teaching you over time. So keep watching all these videos that I put, small stories which may be motivational and inspirational stories. I'll teach you fitness, I'll teach you meditation, I'll teach you corporate governance, strategies, and many things. The leadership qualities. So keep watching these small videos. I don't record very big videos because you get bored. So keep watching them over time and keep your minds open to all the things that I'll teach you. And soon you will find yourself on the right path. So subscribe to my channel, keep watching and sharing these videos. Who knows who can get inspired by these videos. And a little inspiration is enough to make you a hero. Thanks.